It is a well-known fact in our industry that Supernote leads the pack of digital stationery. The Heart of Metal series alone has 11 different colors, as well as their standard pen with 3 colors made out of metal itself. In addition to that, they have a partnership with Lamy to create a Lamy All-Star Supernote edition. But you might be surprised to know that there is another player on the game, iReader. iReader for some time has been floating around a little bit in the background, as they are primarily only in the Chinese market, but they have an impressive lineup of pens under their belt. They have the iReader Smart Pen, which features its white tips and its triangular design. It also has an eraser on the back, and it's a two-tone white with Alpine on the back and more of an Arctic on the front. It is great to hold in your hand. It's super ergonomic because of the shape of it, and actually Onyx has implemented this as their Max pen in a later generation. The iReader XPen, up until now, this is the best pen you could possibly buy. There is no better pen than the iReader XPen currently on the market. It is absolutely fantastic. It is made with an aluminum core with a 2-prong nib canister at the back. There is no eraser on it, but this is probably the best built pen currently on the market. The nib is also fantastic with the right amount of grip and the right amount of grit in it, and it is also a black tip with a black tip holster, offering a great deal of design and contrast. Due to the success of the iReader XPen, they have released an additional color. It is an anodized blue color that just came out 2021 spring. It features the exact same layout, except it is a very nice anodized blue color. They are said to be making additional colors to expand their digital stationery in the near future, starting with black. We are now on to the newest pen and the feature pen of this video, which is the iReader 3rd Generation XPen. This one just came out August 2021. This one is the latest generation of pen. It features an all-new rounded nib that is bigger than the XPen and the Triangle Smart Pen. This one is its own diameter, and it offers a very high level of grit along with a graphite blend inside the actual nib ingredients itself. This thing is also very nicely weighted, and unlike the XPen, this one actually adds an eraser at the back, but it is a completely unique experience. There has been no other device thus far that has this type of eraser. It is an instant eraser where you tap the screen and it erases what is on the screen, but it doesn't need to push in, it doesn't hover like a Guido pen, and you don't need to press any button to activate it. It also has the greatest eraser angle of any pen so far. With its magnet snap, beautiful design, graphite compound tip, and its all-new patented eraser, makes this a very valid pen to add to your digital stationery. Now, this does work on all units that are running Wacom or EMR. This will work on Onyx, it'll work on early Boyus, it'll work on the new Fujitsu. This is the way to go if you want a brand new experience for your unit. If you want to grab one of these, it is available on our store at goodyreader.com/blog/shop. Follow GoodyReader at goodyreader.com. Follow me at Toge Trial. And if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below.